We are at 3423 20th Avenue South, coming back from the repair. So this is the repair part where we were at down in the hole. Way out there. So you're gonna watch the video. I'm taking video all the way back now.
Okay.
Roots, see that?
Yeah.
Just an old brittle pipe.
How many feet did you start at?
At 0.
Okay.
So you'll see the numbers down there to your bottom left. We're at
Okay.
13. So by the time I get back here, it'll be a total amount. Some more roots. Sharp turn there. Another sharp turn. More roots to your left there. See that? So from this point coming back, it's like 39-ish, 40 feet.
Okay.
There's standing water because you have valleys, so your pipes are just collapsed. The earth has set on it, so those roots on top are infiltrated. You'll see the water filling up there because there's just like super valleys, and that grind, the brittle pipe, it just, whatever is underneath it, it just kind of holds it and just doesn't float anymore. So that's what the jetter was able to clear out. Like this long soft clog that you had, man, she was fighting the whole time. But you'll see more coming back. Some more there. So it was more than 51 feet. I just couldn't get past that clog. So we're at 62, 63. Yeah, just kind of what we expected. Valleys and root intrusion. But the remaining, I couldn't get past 51 feet from down there coming back. We're at 70 already, so. From the point of the repair. So here's another little valley I was telling you about. See how it goes underwater? So it just, again, it just sits there and it doesn't slide anymore because of the the earth settling down. 76 feet.
Gives it space for things to collect, right?
Yeah. And then that's pretty much coming into the house there. So, but we couldn't get, remember I couldn't get past this earlier.
Yeah.
So, if you get a chance, Tyler, you bring us some rice. Handful of them. So, yeah, all that is just the residual of it. It's still actually outside. It's like, it was 100 when I started going the other way, but here's another belly. It probably will be 100. So that's right underneath right here. So it's like serious belly. You had like 10 feet of a belly. So it's 100 feet from here all the way out. So I kind of want to locate this before I put the camera away. I'm just going to stop recording right now.
Okay.
We've got 100 feet total. And then